In this crisis, India is fighting its way to still struggle and improve. The West Bengal Global Summit today, 2 days from now, Andhra Pradesh is organizing a similar summit. 3 weeks from now, Karnataka is organizing a similar summit. This is all indicative of the fact that notwithstanding the global crisis, where external factors adversely impact on us, on the strength of our domestic factors, governments at the center, governments in various states, are still devising and finding methods of how to make Indian economy and the economies of each of their states to be stronger. If we are not in a position to attract that investment, we'll be destined to a cause what happened even in West Bengal for almost 3.5 decades. If investment dries up and starts moving out, there'll be no jobs, there'll be no revenues, there'll be hardly any growth. And probably we'll only have some shallow political slogans to lean back on. I have come here. My other colleagues would also be here from the central government to assure the government of West Bengal that in all policy initiatives that it is going to take for the industrial growth of West Bengal, the central government, as a part of its constitutional obligation and our policy interest in making eastern part of India grow faster, will stand solidly and work hand in hand with the state in order to ensure that not only investment comes into the state, but the growth rates in this part of the country grows much faster.